Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Enkrypt AI. This is Tane, founding engineer. And today we will be walking through securing a voice-based agent built with Google Gemini. So let's first look at our use case. Let's say you're a development team building a voice-based GenAI agent using Google Gemini, a state-of-the-art multimodal language model. And it could be for customer support, virtual tutoring, or other interactive voice experiences. Of course, it needs to respond safely and predictably to any spoken input, even when users speak with different accents, vary their tone, or even attempt to manipulate the system. And here's the main challenge. Voice inputs are fundamentally riskier than text. Attackers can bypass safeguards using accent variation, speech-to-text ambiguity, audio waveform transformations such as pitch, speed, echo, and noise, and other forms of multi-turn prompt injection over conversation. So Enkrypt AI solves this problem with audio-first red teaming, and we run comprehensive voice-based adversarial testing across accents, waveform distortions, multi-turn attacks, and TTS-based prompt injections. And they're all mapped to your specific use case and policy. So no manual setup needed, no missed attack vectors, just complete visibility into how your agent responds. Run it, review the violations, and strengthen your application before it reaches users. So let's walk through it on the Enkrypt AI platform. So here I've entered the Enkrypt AI platform and I'm setting up my Gemini audio endpoint. I'll call it Gemini Audio 0. And all I have to do is select Gemini as my provider, select the Gemini 2.0 Flash model as my model name, and select audio as the input type and text as the application output type. Then all I have to do is paste in the the application URL and the API key for Gemini. Let me now click on test configuration. And there we go, the endpoint is healthy, so we can save that into our endpoints. And now we can simply run red teaming. So I can say this is Gemini audio red teaming, and I'll select my Gemini endpoint, and I'll select all my basic tests, and I'll click on add red teaming task. So once the red teaming test is complete, you'll get a comprehensive overview of all the voice-based attacks that your application is vulnerable to. So here we see that it's especially vulnerable to CBRN attacks. And this is to do with chemical, biological, radioactive, or nuclear information that your voice agent is giving out based on some of the attack formats we've used before, but essentially would render this application unsafe to move into production. So for this, you need audio guardrails. So guardrails that intelligently decipher whether an attack is taking place on your multimodal AI application. And for that, you'll have to join us for another video on the Enkrypt AI platform. Thank you very much. Happy building.